What's up, guys? Big D here once again. This is day 3 of our 2019 Baldwin trip. The day that we go home, unfortunately. Looking at the radar, it's going to be a little tricky today if we don't want to get soaking wet. Mind you, we all have rain gear, all that good stuff, but I don't want to break that out unless I absolutely have to. So, we're going to try to avoid rain as much as humanly possible. Not sure exactly how that's going to work, but we're gonna see. We don't really have any other choice. So getting the bikes loaded up. You know, there's a couple guys that they're ready. We're waiting on a couple of the other guys. So we're gonna get around here relatively soon, and we're gonna get on the road. So hopefully we have a good day on the way home. We've had 2 amazing days so far. We've got, by the looks of things, extremely lucky as far as the weather's concerned, so maybe we can pull off one more day. With that being said, we're gonna suit up and we're gonna get on the road. So join us for one more day of adventure. Well, we couldn't quite avoid the rain forever, but oh well, no big deal. So get a little wet, whoop-de-doo. There's a little bit of a stronger front that's about ready to hit, so we're gonna let that go, but then after that we're just gonna have to cruise in it. Oh well. So I guess after 3 days, and it's just now hitting now, I guess we can't complain. So we're gonna wait it out just a little bit further, but we are gonna continue on once that other front moves past. So, little update there. How you feel, Joe? That last bit was a bit of a stretch. A little bit of rain though, but we did end up riding out of it, and I mean, it's cloudy and stuff, but can't complain. Actually ended up drying off a little bit. We're currently at, this is called the Back 40 place, highly recommended by our very own Jules. I don't know exactly what town this is, even if it's a town necessarily, but food is in order. And once we do that, then we'll be making our way the rest of the way back home. Currently here on 57 and 52, so we're getting there. I think we're making some pretty decent time. Really been kind of hauling ass today, so yes, food, and then we're gonna get back on the road. Well guys, we finally made it back to Dundee. What a weekend that's been. The sun came out for the last 40 miles or so, starting to go away here again too. The rest of the guys are, well, guys and gals, they already left. They're on their way home. It was an amazing weekend. I couldn't ask really for much better than what we got. Yeah, we got rained on. on the way back, but it didn't even matter. It was a good weekend overall. I can't complain. I can't complain at all. I think the only thing that was kind of strange, at least for me, is this is the first year that I've been up there at Baldwin, and the general hasn't been there. And if you've seen any of the other Baldwin trip videos that I've ever done, I've always tried to get the general in there somewhere, but being that he passed away, rest in peace, about a year and a half ago, I think, or something like that, it was strange not seeing him up there. But other than that, you know, we had a great company, great food, a great ride. I mean, it was amazing. So, I needed that, and I needed that very, very bad. So, luckily we had a safe trip. It was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos, and stay tuned to Big D Films. We've got Ohio Bike Week coming up, we got Blessed in Hell coming up, and the big one is coming up in about 3 or 4 weeks or something. So stay tuned for all of that stuff. We're gonna get back out and do a lot of riding here. So again, if you like these videos, hit those like buttons, subscribe to the channel, make sure you don't miss nothing. And without anything further to say, I'm gonna get home myself. I only got a couple more miles, so until next time, guys, we'll catch you down the road.